Okay, Rascal would like to go outside, so let's see what's waiting for us. Come on, Rascal. Don't you want to go? Come on. Let's see what's out there. Come on. Let's go. Go! A little slippery even for a cat, eh? Just take a little walk around, see what all's here today. Snow's still falling. I'm going for a solid 4 or 5 inches. Go check out the office. Doesn't look like I'll be spending much time out here anytime soon. Although maybe I'll make some snow angels. I love this tree. See how far Rascal made it. There go his tracks. Looks like he went out that way. Malcolm's snowblower at the ready. That's our quick tour of the blizzard conditions in Princeton today. So we come back inside to the best part of a snowy day. This is where I'll be spending the rest of my afternoon. Got a nice little view of the snow covered outside.